Hello my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Alright y'all, I'm doing something that's very, very dear to my heart. It has to be one of my most favorite pies, especially in the summertime. Old school peach pie. Peaches are in season here in the state of Texas. I've had these a couple of days because when I make a peach pie, the peaches, I'm very particular how I want them. I don't want them too soft and I don't want them too hard. You get them too soft, and then you get them too soft, they overcook in the pie shell. You get them too hard, they don't cook enough, and you got a more harder peach pie. So these are just perfect, just semi-firm, where you can put an indention. The way I do it, I can put an indention, slight indention in the peach. That's the size I want. So that's what I'm gonna use for the peach pie. I'm gonna peel these, and this pie is really pretty simple. The hardest part is peeling the peaches and slicing them. Everything else is pretty simple as you can get. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna step away here and I'm gonna get these peaches all peeled and sliced up, and we'll be right back and I'll show you the procedure of the pie. It's very simple. So we'll be right back. Okay y'all, we are back here. Okay, I got the peaches all sliced. Look how beautiful it is. And like I say, anytime you can able to use fresh peaches, please do. Here's the residue here, just in case y'all say, oh, they ain't real peaches, them frozen. Yeah, these are definitely real peaches. So I just peel them and slice them. Now we're gonna put this pie together, which is so simple. Y'all know I use my Pillsbury pie crust. I'm not making no pie crust, even though I can, but I don't make my own pie crust. Okay. I'm gonna put the peaches in here. This is very simple, y'all, I'm telling you. Put the peaches in there, throw the sugar in here. Got the butter in here. I got the nutmeg and cinnamon. You gotta have that. You can't have pie without. And you can use this same method for apple, cherry, pear, vanilla in there, and the thickening agent, flour. You're going to slowly just incorporate this in. Slowly incorporate it in, y'all. You don't want to over mix it too much, but you don't want to break up them nice peaches there. So we'll just fold it all together. Look at that. Oh yeah. Now, let that sit to the side. Now we're going to put our dough on the. Get our dough here and put it in the pie pan. I got a 8-inch. This is, matter of fact, this is a 10-inch pie pan. You can use 8-inch too. And I sprayed it, of course. Gotta spray it there so it don't. So we want to be able to get our pie out. Okay. I'm gonna just roll this right into the pie pan here. Very simple. Very easy, y'all. I should have named my website Slow, Simple, and Easy. Well, I should have named it. But all my recipes are simple and easy instead of old school soul food. So anyway, we're going to pour this in there. There we go. All that in there. Make sure you get everything out of there. All that good flavor. All that goodness right there. Spread it all around there evenly. Y'all see how easy this is. Should never buy pie in the store. Always make your own, y'all. So easy. Okay, now we're gonna put the top on there. You can do the top two ways. You can just put the top on top. You just roll it on top, or you can do the lattice. I like to do not really lattice. I ain't gonna do no fancy lattice. It's old school, y'all. I'm gonna just cut them in strings and put them on there. That's what I'm gonna do. Take it right here. Like I said, I don't do, y'all know me by now. I ain't fancy with nothing. I just get this done and get it in the oven. That's all I do, y'all. Not fancy with me here. Nothing fancy here, y'all. ain't trying to be fancy if you want to. My thing is just getting this thing in the oven. No big deal, y'all. One here. Go across here. Look at that. Some little edges right there. And that's it. Make sure it's all sealed together. This ain't nothing fancy. Another thing that I like to do, y'all already know, I like to put a little butter on top and sprinkle it with sugar. You can't never have too much butter on it, right? That butter melt in there, shoot. That's extra goodness, y'all. Okay, sprinkle a little sugar on top. You can put cinnamon on top if you want to. I prefer not to, because cinnamon makes it look dark to me. So I just put the sugar. Okay, I always put it on there. Make sure you always put your pie in the pan, just in case it drip over. It shouldn't, but hey, sometimes you're having a bad day and your pie overfill in your oven, then you're really having a bad day. So anyway, I'm gonna cook it for 350 degrees for about 45 minutes to an hour. And we're gonna have the most awesome old school peach pie you ever made. So we'll be right back, y'all. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, we're gonna see if it's ready here. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, bubbling hot out the oven. That's what you want. That's what you want. See how pretty that is? Simple that is. So I'm gonna let this sit here really like 30 minutes. 30, maybe 45 minutes. And then we're gonna cut it. Because if I cut it right now, you know, definitely it's not gonna be a pie. It's gonna turn into a cobbler because it's not gonna be the slice of a pie. So I'm gonna let it set up about 45 minutes. We're gonna come back and then we're gonna slice it up. We're gonna see how it tastes. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, we're gonna cut this up here and see what we got here. I'll let it cool about 45 minutes, so we're gonna see if it, hopefully it'll hold together. When I'm gonna cut a big piece, I always think if I cut a big piece, it'll hold together better. Okay, go around the edges here. Remember I sprayed this. Remember I sprayed it too, y'all. All right, not bad. Still a little warm, but hey, it's all good there, buddy. Oh yeah, look at that. That's what you want. Let's try that. See them peaches, how the peaches held up? See how the peaches held up? Wet and not mushy and perfectly cooked. Oh wow. Try the crust. That's so good. That is so good, y'all. You'll have to try this recipe. All right, y'all. Get this recipe comments. Give it a thumbs up. Please share. Please like. And like all my others, please follow my other social media accounts. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, of course, Pinterest, Twitter, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day. See y'all later.